turn myself to face me. I've never caught a glimpse how the others must see the faker. I'm much too fast to take that test. Change it.
Turn and face the strain.